Greetings. Hello. Yes. All displacement modulators were tuned today, weren't they? Do you know who ate all the donuts? Did you hear that? No.
Hostile. Damn.
Can't be bothered right now. Whoa! What the hell is going on? Oh.
Quick, it's about to go critical.
Why do we all have to wear these?
Down. Shit.
Oh my. Please. Don't kill me. Get back! No! I don't want to die! They're killing scientists. As I said. No! Science team, you fool! This is all within theoretical limits. I hope those people in the Lambda lab can get it. No. You're one of them. Our own race turning against us. Oh my God, we're doomed!
Let's kick ass.
You got nothing!
Fascinating. I've got to get out of here. Did you? My goodness!
God's sake, open the silo door!
Who is responsible for this mess? I don't suppose you'd reconsider? Yes, you're right. My God!
I killed 6 dumbass scientists and not one of them fought back.